mopogore opogore.
Number 11 mandates that churches must join an umbrella organization which, as stated in clause number 19, can dictate and interfere with the independent doctrines, practices, and financial matters of individual churches. This will significantly disrupt the freedom of worship.
Nyakoro muyongo timo mos wawuoka to arango kono to anao ka duondgi bende omoko mana kama wantiere karkaya dongi thuolo mara dakika achiel kende to akawuoyo nigi sani ka duogo karka penjo ntiere karka ma bena duogo karka ka penje Newton kachiel koda ka Ken Obuya ka wantiere karka wawinjgi ka to bang'e ang'wadhi ko duogo ang'wadhi nyime kod bakoromo wawinjgi gene
costs. Furthermore, the bill introduces a redundant legal framework alongside existing Societies Act, thereby placing an additional burden on churches. And therefore, in conclusion, we reject in totality, and I mean, and I say again, in totality, the Mugatana bill. We cannot permit the church to be managed and overseen by politicians. The church is essential in society, offering hope to Christians and providing guidance to the community, among others. In reality, the church supports the government by fostering an environment that allows it to function effectively. Members of the press, the purpose of this bill is to greatly diminish the influence of religious organizations in our country. Notably, there is a provision in the bill that forbids gospel preachers from ministering to children. This reflects the type of society we would be endorsing if we support this bill. The government seems intent on removing our children from the church and exposing them to the harsh realities of the world. Our parliamentarians should not enact laws that could have severe repercussions for the future of our cherished nation. We continue to say, it is important to remember that before the 2022 general elections, which is in fact in the public domain, a well-known opposition politician proposed that the government should regulate the church. That was before elections. But ironically, the same politicians today who are now leading the church, the church for this oppressive bill, previously opposed such regulations, and we as a church supported them, believing they would always defend our rights. We never anticipated that we would face persecution from the very politicians we encouraged our congregants to support. You can imagine the people who are, working to make sure that we support them, on the fact that they are going to support us, they are again turning against us. It is widely known